I'm Martin Purnell. I'm with the Agua Fria School District. Currently, we're replacing our 400-ton capacity cooling towers. The other towers that were in place became inefficient and started to corrode, needed a lot of maintenance on them. Towers are always breaking down, and then it would cause problems in the classroom. Classrooms will be warm. Teachers, kids, parents would start complaining about the environment of the classroom. So thus we had to replace those cooling towers. The BRG process was relatively painless. We've had help from our liaison. At the time was Dave Kennan. He helped us get through the process. Myself and Mary Hammonds, we went to an ASBO conference where that process is also kind of explained to us how that works. So the process was pretty painless. I didn't have to fire it up.